Hello everyone, my name is Odurole Mojibola and you're watching JibbyFem Forte tutorial on All Africa TV. Today we are going to be learning how to make braided belts. That's what we are going to be learning how to make. You can see them, how you can make them in straps of 5, how the width of the braid or the belt will depend on the number of straps and the width of the straps you are using. You can see this. This one is just made of 3 straps. You have one end, the 2 ends are close. You can see it, and you can also see this. This is made of just 5 straps. You can just sit back and enjoy. I'll be right back. We are going to start with 3 straps. We are starting with our 3 straps. This is how it goes. Place this under. The first one, you place it under it. The one on this side, you place it under. The next thing you do, you place this one under. For a 3 strap belt, all you need to do is just hold it down with a nail or with a pin. What we have. Now, let's go to a 5 strap leather. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from the center. Start from the center. Now, this is what we are going to do. This second one, you can see that this is our number 3. This is number 2 to your right. Place it on it. This is what it looks like. The next one, place it under it. And you are having one coming, you are having it this way. We still have 2 left here. If you look at it, you'll find out that if you put it under, you are going to be having another one under again. Now, you put it on top of it. Then under this one, you put this under it, the next one under, then on top of this. This is what we have. Now, see what our 5 strap has produced for us. Now, let's go to our 3 strap with the 2 ends closed. The first one we did had 3 strap, 1 end closed and the other one is open. But here we are having 3 strap and the 2 ends are closed. Now let's see how we are going to weave this. 1, 2, 3. That's the way you go. Then after the first 3 that you have braided, you come down and pass this one through this. Then you continue. 1, 2, 3. You pass this. That's what we are going to have for the 2 ends close. Now this is for just 1 end opening. See this? See what we have for this. Now let's go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to make use of the 2 at the center. So we can go this way, either this way or this way. It depends on the way you want it. So let's say this is going this way. You can see it. The first one goes under themselves. This is what we have. now have 4 So we now come to use this side to weave it first. As you can see, this one went under this. This one is meant to be on this, and it goes this way. This one, the next one will go under, this one will go on top. So everything will come here. Just one. We have one here. We are going to follow the same pattern for the remaining 3 on this side. But this one is on top, so this one cannot come up on it. It will go under. So we have, it goes under, this one comes on top, this one goes under, up. So we have 2 here. To the next one. This one comes on top, under, and under this. Can you see what we are having? This is the last one too goes the same way. This one will be under since this is hop. Under. So now we have 4 and 4 now. See, this is what our 8 straps has given us. This is the belt. So the width of your belt will be determined by the number of strap that you are using, or the width of each of your strap. As you can see, this is end to end. Something like this, you can use it as wristband. All you need to do is to put a snap, and you have a wristband already. See how it looks like. So we can use it for our shoes, we can use it for as belts. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. As you can see what our braided belt look like now. You can also try this at home. If you have indeed enjoyed today's tutorial, I want you to subscribe to All Africa TV. Make sure you press the notification button. That is very important, so that you can see how I'm going to make use of this belt, this braided belt, for making a sweet belt, for making shoes, so that you can have the notification when the tutorials are out. So press the notification button after subscription. You can also follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Africa TV. You can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at JibbyFem Forte. I'm expecting your comment from this braid, and I want to believe that you have really enjoyed the class. See you next time.
Odurole